How to add membership in Amazon shopping. In this video I'm going to show you how you can add the membership. First of all, open the application. Now here in the right bottom you can see this tree line icon. Tap on this tree line icon. Now on the top tap on account. So we're in this account settings. Slowly scroll down. Here you'll be able to find Prime membership. Simply tap on Prime membership. So here you can see the option of start my 30-day free trial. Simply tap on it. But in order to add this membership, you must enter your credit or debit card information. So here simply tap on the one and tap on continue. So after you do that, your credit and debit card will be added and you will be able to get a 30-day free trial and you can enjoy different facilities from this application. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.